This lady comes in, and I now know where the hide key is to the Poplarville Courthouse. Should anybody want to break in and get anything? She goes right up to it, opens up this little cabinet, and I'm like, what is she doing? And sure enough, there's a little hide key in there. She gets it out. I'm just watching the whole time. She clearly doesn't pay.
Look at that baby, she got a big smile now.
I'm video recording you. Yeah.
No,
What is this? You tell it, babe. You tell it. Kate.
I see that. I see the babies. I see the babies. I see the baby. She's so pretty. She is so pretty.
Say, every time something flashes.
Pretty. She's so pretty.
Isn't that funny how all of our kids are unique to each one? Like, Brad's kids all have a similar look, and your kids all have a similar look.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm like, boy, she just blends right in with Justin and Tessa.
She's a cool girl. She's a pretty girl, Nana.
I cannot tell what her eyes are going to